Today I'm going to show you how to enable symmetry in Krita so you can draw perfectly mirrored artwork in just a few clicks. This is a super useful feature for character design, mandalas, patterns, logos, and any art where you want clean, balanced shapes without manually redrawing both sides. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita and look at the main toolbar at the very top of your screen. This is where you'll find the symmetry tools. You should see two symmetry buttons sitting right next to each other. One is the horizontal mirror tool, which mirrors your drawing left to right. The other is the vertical mirror tool, which mirrors your drawing top to bottom. The icons are easy to spot once you know what you're looking for, and they control how your strokes are duplicated on the canvas. Now, click the symmetry option you want to use. If you only want left and right symmetry, click the horizontal mirror button. If you want top and bottom symmetry, click the vertical mirror button. And if you want full four-way symmetry, you can turn on both at the same time. As soon as you activate one of these tools, a dashed guideline will appear across your canvas. That line shows you exactly where the center of the symmetry is being applied. By default, Krita places that mirror line right in the middle of your canvas. But if you want to move it, you absolutely can. Just look closely at the dashed guideline and find a small handle sitting on it. Click and drag that handle to reposition the symmetry center wherever you want it. This is really helpful if your subject is not centered, or if you want to create a design that mirrors from a different point on the page. If you want to keep the guide moving only in a straight horizontal or vertical direction, hold Shift while dragging. That makes it much easier to align your symmetry axis precisely. So instead of guessing, you can lock it into place and adjust it with much more control. Once your symmetry is set up, select your regular freehand brush tool by pressing B, or choose it from the toolbar if you prefer. Then simply start drawing on one side of the dashed line. Krita will instantly repeat your brush strokes on the opposite side, giving you a perfectly mirrored result in real time. It feels almost like magic the first time you use it, and it can save you a ton of time while sketching. You can use this technique for rough sketches, clean line art, decorative art, and even more advanced illustrations where symmetry matters. If you make a mistake, just undo as usual and continue refining your shape. The symmetry tool will keep updating everything automatically as you draw. So to quickly recap, turn on the symmetry tool from the top toolbar, choose horizontal, vertical, or both for four-way symmetry, adjust the dash line by dragging the handle, and then start drawing with your brush. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to enable symmetry in Krita, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.